Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn the topic test for divisibility. This topic is related to Unit 3 factors and multiples. Let's start the video. What is divisibility? Divisibility means that after dividing there will be no remainder. For example, let's have a look on this picture. In this picture, 12 is divided 5/6 exactly without having no remainder. So this is called the divisibility, where when we divide the number, there will be no remainder. Now, have you seen the number on the screen? 36759. Can you tell me by which number we can divide 36759? I want all of you to pause the video and think about that. How can we divide 36759 and by which number? It is difficult. Yes, it is difficult. But the test for divisibility will help us. Test for divisibility helps you learn shortcuts to tell when a number can be divided by another number with no remainder. Let's learn the divisibility of the numbers. The first divisibility is for 2. Test for divisibility by 2. Here we have a rule. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Digit means a single number. 0 to 9 are the digit. And from 10 we have formed the numbers. For example, 78. In this example we have two digits, 7 and 8. And we have to see the last digit. The last digit is 8, which is even. So this number is divisible by 2. Second number is 3470. The last digit is 0. So this number is also divisible by 2. Let's have some more example. 14390, 68421, 52878. We have three number. Let's check the divisibility. The first number is 14390. Let's see the last digit. The last digit is 0. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. 68421. The last digit is 1. Is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is 1. 52878. The last digit is 8. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, the number is divisible by 2. Now let's learn the divisibility by 3. And according to the rule, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, 75. In 75, how many digits we have? We have two digits, 7 and 5. Let's take the sum of these digits. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. So the 75 is also divisible by 3. Then we have 369. In this number we have three digits, 3, 6 and 9. Let's take the sum of 3, 6 and 9. 3 plus 6 plus 9. 3 plus 6, 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So the number 369 is also divisible by 3. Let's have some more examples. We have a number 19821. How many digits are there in this number? There are 5 digits. So to check the divisibility, first we have to take the sum of the digits. So 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. And 20 plus 1, 21. So the 21 is divisible by 3. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So obviously 19821 is also divisible by 3. Let's have some more examples. 8576298 This is the largest number. This is the large number. Let's check the divisibility. First we add the digits. So 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8 and plus 9. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 7. Let's think 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 2, 28. 28 plus 9, let's think 37. 37 plus 8, 45. And 45 plus 9, 54. Now we have 54. Is 54 divisible by 3? It is little bit difficult to find the divisibility of 54 by 3. So we can repeat the process again. We have 54. We can repeat the process. We can add the number, add the digit. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Now we have 9 and we can easily find that 9 is divisible by 3. So yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So 8576298 is also divisible by 3. You can repeat this process when till you can found the simplest number. Here is another example. 92134. Now 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 3, 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. And 19 is not divisible by 3. No, 19 is not divisible by 3. So 92134 is also not divisible by 3. Now the test divisibility by 5. Divisibility rule for 5 is a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. It is very simple to find the divisibility of 5. We just have to see the last digit. If the last digit is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. For example, 615. This number ends with 5, so it is divisible by 5. 1480. This number ends with 0, so this number is also divisible by 5. Let's check the rule with some examples. We have 3 numbers. Let's check the divisibility of these numbers by 5. The first number is 13570. The last digit is 0, so this number is divisible by 5. 63842. The last digit is 2. This number is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is 2. 29875. The last digit is 5. Is the number is divisible by 5? Yes, this number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5.